Next we're going to look at the graphs of tangent and cotangent, as well as cosecant and secant. So these are the general forms or templates for the tangent and cotangent. And just like before, if a is negative, the graph is flipped. Now the period is pi over b, not 2 pi over b. When we were finding the value of tangent and cotangent functions on the previous worksheets when we were using the unit circle, they were undefined at some points. And this is really because we were dividing by 0 when we were using the unit circle. So because of this, there are vertical asymptotes at these points. So tangent has vertical asymptotes here. I put etc. because the trig functions go indefinitely in both directions. They go on forever. So this pattern basically repeats forever. And same for cotangent, having vertical asymptotes here. Now the graphs of cosecant and secant, these are the general templates. If a is negative, the graph is flipped, and my period goes back to being 2 pi over b. And just like before, cosecant and secant, those can also be undefined. And this is because we were dividing by 0 when we're using the unit circle to find these values. And these are where secant and cosecant have vertical asymptotes. So question number 1, we want to graph 3 tangent of 2x. So my period is going to be pi over 2 because of that 2. And it's not flipped because this is a positive. So I'm not really going to declare an amplitude. I'm not asked to declare any vertical or horizontal shifts. I'm just graphing this. So 3 tangent of 2x, and I'm graphing it from -5 to 5 and 0 to 2 pi. And it looks like this. Again, your drawing doesn't need to be perfect as long as it's the correct shape. And these are the vertical asymptotes that we were talking about. So it will approach those, but it actually won't reach them.